The nature of the evidence he failed to preserve that's outlined in the packet is staggering. No investigation was conducted to speak of into the suspect in this case. I specifically asked Angulo during our conversation on the 15th to go get Winston's DNA, and he stated to me, I'm not going to do that. I don't want this to become public. And then he went and contacted Winston, completely contradicting what he told me he was going to do. I specifically requested the DNA. I specifically told him I disagreed with his decision not to go get that DNA. And while he wasn't getting the DNA, he was getting a search warrant against my client. Search warrants are inherently adversarial, ladies and gentlemen. I would have gladly signed a release for her medical records or anything he needed in this case. As to the Tallahassee Police Department, if you look at the police report that Officer Harris completed and that was submitted to the press from the state attorney's office, there are no signatures, there is no date, and there's no reviewing officer. That is customary and standard procedure to have a date, a signature, and a reviewing officer. They're missing on that police report. I checked the unredacted statements. It's also not in the unredacted statements, ladies and gentlemen. So the totality of the circumstances that we face here, in light of our review of this investigation, leaves us no other choice but to call upon the Attorney General of the state of Florida to conduct an independent investigation into this case and the Tallahassee Police Department. Because if victims are subjected on an ongoing basis to what this victim has been subjected to, there's a serious problem in the state of Florida, certainly in the Tallahassee area.